What's up, everybody? Y'all know who it is, BJ the Real. So I'm on my way into Rosemont Fashion Mall to see what Neiman Marcus has. They're going out of business. So let's shed a couple tears for Neiman Marcus. People.
Last call.
They're going out of business here in Rosemont, Illinois, in the Fashion Mall. So we're going to go in there and see what they have. Hopefully we luck up on something. If not, I have a couple things at home to show you guys that I ordered from Off-White. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Yeah, so I'll go in here real quickly, make sure I lock my doors, and see what they have. Looks like the fucking mall is closed already, but it's not. But it looks like it, but it's not.
Standby. We close at 6:45. So just so you guys can know where
6:45. So we're gonna hurry up. They're already doing like closing announcements. So we don't know. Okay, clearly something has happened. We will not be going in here. It's no way. It's no freaking way. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. And of course, they did not sell everything. Everything is gone because they clearly sent it off. This is like amazing. What the hell? It's no way. No freaking way. Look, 90 freaking %. That's insane. It's no way. It's no way. It's no way. It's no freaking way. The most terrible selection ever. This is the cutest thing here, and that ain't happening. Wow. 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 This is kind of cute. They really wanted to get rid of everything. Clearly. What the hell world is that? These are some Giuseppe's, the only shoe here. 90 off. But it's a 35 and I can't fit a 35. So this was totally turning out to be a waste of my time. So I'm going to go into Nordstrom Racks here and see what they have, which I don't think they have much either. So the Fashion Mall, Rosemont, it's really not much to get. It's a couple stores here that's good. All the rest of the stuff, I'm going to give it a pass on. Like, seriously, I'm going to pass on a lot of this. Pass. Like, no, it's not even worth the drive. It's not worth that. Okay, absolutely no luck at all. Oh, really? Oh, how cute. How cute. I know what. I'm in the wrong damn store. But it's too late to go around. Shit, I'm in the wrong store. What is that? Something's making noise here. That. Okay, I have no luck here, I can tell. There's nothing in here. Absolutely nothing. What are these? Let's go look at the last pile of gloves. Okay, I was going into Bloomingdale's, but I ended up in Saks Fifth Off or something. So I'm gonna leave now because they have nothing here. Y'all see them? Y'all see them waving to me? They waving to me. Yeah, that's funny. But the mall is closed, so I'm running out to get back in my car and go home because there's nothing here. Okay, here we go. Unboxing. Bada! Okay. This is just simply an off-white scarf. Bandana. Bandana? Scarf? What is it? Bandana? Something. Okay. Off-white. You guys, I don't really need to open it. Okay, now let's open up this box. Yee! These are so freaking cute. Purple is one of my favorite colors. No, let's always get the one with the off-white sticker on it. This shoe looks so freaking cool. But it has two tongues in it. What's that about? Off-white, what's that about? What's that about, guys? With the two shoes. Is it like two shoes in one? I don't know. But these are really, really cute, though. Now, this pair, we both will be seeing this for the first time. Okay, let's dig in now. Dig in now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yay. Of course. This is how, okay, let me turn this over this way. Yeah, so I can sit this right there. Okay. Ooh, this is my receipt. Thank you. Of course, it comes with a dust bag. The other ones as well come with a dust bag. And oh my goodness. Oh my god, these are freaking fire. I love this. Now these are, wow, it has stuff. These are freaking fire. Do y'all hear me? These are fire. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's get the other one out. Dang, give me this shoe. Y'all so era. Okay. What is this? This? Oh, okay. It has a message on the back of them. So it says, what? Boom. Boom. Did the other pair have something on the back? Let's see. Oh, it had a number on the back, whatever that is. Let's see. Okay, same number. Okay. And of course, that one. This, of course, comes with the dust bag. Okay. A white zip. Oh, it says 2013 on there. What does this one say? 2013. I don't know what any of that means, but it's okay. It's okay. Nothing's on that side. Okay. But this sneaker here, I don't want to say which one is my fave. I think this one is really unique. It's very different for me. I've never had a pair of sneakers look anything like this. So, yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I got one more thing to open. Now, I want to know why the heck is this package like this? What the fuck is that? Like, seriously. Anyway, I love Marc Jacob. So this is a Marc Jacob finishing. Yay! What else is in here? No, that's it. The receipt. So I have all Marc Jacob. I used to wear MAC makeup, but now I wear all Marc Jacob. And this is so beautiful. It's so cute. This here, man, it had you looking so gorgeous. Y'all better go and get this. The Marc Jacob finishing. I think it's like $55, something like that, like $55, $65. But it is well worth it. As I was singing, this is so well worth it, guys. Y'all gonna like this. I think it's like coconut or something like that. Let's see. Yep. Coconut finishing powder. It is so pretty. It looks so pretty on the skin. Makes it glow very beautifully. So, ladies, if y'all have not checked it out, check out Marc Jacob makeup. It's really cute. I got like everything from them. And it's really cute. It's really nice. It have you looking really poppin'. So, yeah. Period. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.